Serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nisiobora ibwaye mokonyi bu Governor Elijah Obebo niko bono yatumire Eng'Ora ya bene gochiase enka ya nyagusira Charity Nyaboke huyo sireti obogima bwaye hasa nyagitari ya Kenya level 4 abwa sate abire bunatari wancha ko nyagitari yo gosaba nyagitari buna umusubati uyo akanyarako bakago siria obogima bwaye ase enchira yarenge buna umurikitu Clifford atone karatie itkorigoro na bono agotomanyia senchira yobwikirana.
Aiga ya musibati ya mogosire bugima bwaye asinya gitari ya Kenya level 4 ime ya county ya Kisii ekerachete kuibora imenya gitari yo bono ni Eserekari ya county ya Kisii insiobora ibwa ya mokonyi bo Governor Elijah Obebo yesokiri hirikurwa Eng'Ora ya bagochia asenka ya nyagusira abamate amana bamanyi be county ya Kisii wasabate bire bunati yarengo gwancha ko banyagitari buno musibati uyu asire bugima bwaye asenchirenga bune yo
gukwanira mangana akorekanite igoro igari Kenya asinya gitari yitu mangana igabeta atari yo kogokia ikiagera umwana uminto yomo akacha gwekonya kogonkia ibati mbekaba muna abanyagitari baeresire bakabwati byonsi machika bonsi bari tukwigutwa igure muna babwateti rende gakamune bati mbe yabete umwana uri ito agasiri ubugima bwaye
Gako kwana nabararia mu basorero asinya gitari ya KTRH nigo mokonyi bo Governor Elijah Obebo asabira ABATOERERU ase myoyo y'abamanyi be county ya Kisii anyine ekero botuke bogendrete eri komanya ekikire tumusubati uyo gosiri obugima bwaye
bachieti ko bori ngaki gosekiaba igo bachite ne riogiri yabo bono tukubatia abana ba minto kera magosa abeire injeneri bintu bigokorekana bagacharia bakamnyokia abo bisabande bachite aroro bagaka abandi paka mumurumu abo maremu yosirete bakamuaka abantu bakaumizikanga batatu baneiga toko tebage tumune kinge korekana ekerinye gitari kine chitu
gitari oyo bwate meroberio yoko mokonya nyagusira ase sabali yaye yoko ibora nigaera ire bene yagenderete chinga kimusubati uyo aretos nyagitari yo nakoro kyo muchano ye ase gusira kwaye.
First of all, I want to empathize with the family that has lost their loved one. So for clarity, I just want to say that yes, indeed, we received the mother who came to our facility, that is Kenyanya Sub-County Hospital. The mother arrived on 26th of this month at around 11 a.m. in the morning. But at that point, she had not yet gone into labor. As routinely, what we normally do for such a kind of a patient, they are normally kept for monitoring until such a time when she goes into labor. And indeed, on the 26th of February, the lady proceeded into labor. At around 6 a.m. in the morning, she was around what we normally call 6 centimeter dilated. That ushers in the process of labor, and therefore, that is the point we say that now we need to start monitoring more aggressively. At around 9 a.m., she has not yet gone into full dilatation, which is normally say full dilatation, so that can allow the baby to be delivered. So at around that 9 a.m., the mother had a drastic change of events. She started becoming restless, having short of breath. And as our team realized that, they swung into action. They tried to resuscitate this lady, but in the process of resuscitation, and unfortunately, we lost the mother.
Nonyana boni gamanyi be county ya Kisii baboli gwetanga kurwa asokorera chiruburu no gosalia asinya gitari amonene bo Eserekari gakinyere chonsi amangana ngabuna yo akoba nakobaganya baba ABATOERERU na baganye OBTUKI wakorekanire
ntori ko tebanga nigente kiabete kintu ari ko tebanga ke kintu nige kiabeire twaruri baga ibintu byarige ligungora ngora kiagere nyagitari genge kanisa aiga no to gutama age ibintu byose byakoreki byasarikire kero kwaro no gutama none kero moyo ruware no kanisa ogokia bone chini institution ejibere worldwide na murigiria mangana Red Cross nyagitari nchiri ko mnyoka gosarigwa osokurwania ugorarwani munyagitari bono the next minute kwa rwari
bono niko yatigire asenka ya nyagusira amana ba mate kwanchirane Eng'Ora ya serikali ya county ya Kisii kwene kyo ABATOERERU chinga kyo OBTUKI bogenderete inkoripoteri nsoko TV kurwase bogatakati bo muchubo songe county ya Kisii Riteriane Weekly Orenge.